The German government is planning to restructure the unemployment benefit system and replace Hartz with an allowance called Bürgergeld. The draft law, which has the support of Chancellor Scholz, will be presented to the parliament soon. If ratified, it could be enforced as early as January 2023, meaning approximately 3.5 million Hartz claimants in Germany will be transferred to the new Bürgergeld system. Let's see how Bürgergeld is going to be different from the controversial Hartz. In principle, Hartz applicants can be asked by the job center to move to a cheaper flat or spend their savings. According to the Bürgergeld scheme, this should not happen for the first 24 months of you receiving Bürgergeld. That means people won't need to worry about being asked to move out or use their savings to receive aid for the first 2 years. During this period, you could have up to 60,000 euros of assets and still be eligible for Bürgergeld. The benefits are also supposed to rise to reflect the high inflation in Germany. Although it's not precisely clear how much, according to Labour Minister Heil, it could be up to 10%. According to the Bürgergeld scheme, recipients are to benefit from an initial 6-month-long period of trust when they start receiving Bürgergeld. Currently, anyone who fails to attend appointments or apply for positions recommended by the job center can have their benefits cut dramatically by up to 30%. But during this period of trust, there will be no so-called sanctions and payments cannot be cut. The new scheme is said to entail a shift in attitude. Rather than pressuring people to take up a new job as soon as possible, the plan is to focus on coaching and creating opportunities and incentives for further education and training for long-term sustainable integration in the job market. These are the major shifts we can expect if Bürgergeld is ratified. As mentioned, this is a draft law pending the Parliament's final approval at this stage. Until then, if you need more information on the current regulations concerning Hartz, check out our Job Center chapter. Visit our community platform Together in Germany to seek specialized support if you need more information and advice. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.